To properly access the internal components of the e2695 Alliance for service, first power off the e2695 with column heater or column heater cooler. Then disconnect the Ethernet and power cord from the rear of the detector, the external control cable, and power cord from the rear of the column heater or column heater cooler, and the e2695 Alliance power cord. Carefully lift up and remove the detector from the detector base and set it aside. Next, remove the tubing from the drip tray tubing clip and the top tubing inside the e2695 Alliance door. Carefully lift the detector base from the solvent tray. Ensure that the column tubing is outside the front door. Remove the drip tray from the bottom of the column compartment and set it aside. Then, carefully lift the column heater or column heater cooler from its standoffs on the right side of the e2695 Alliance. Using the T20 Torx driver, remove the two screws that secure the right side panel, and then remove the panel. After completing service on the inside of the e2695 Alliance, replace the column heater or column heater cooler by positioning it on its standoffs on the side panel of the e2695 Alliance. Next, install the column tubing in the clip on the inside of the column compartment. Install the drip tray at the bottom of the column compartment and then close the door. Lower the detector base onto the 2 feet on the solvent tray. Once in place, attach the convoluted waste tubing to the waste drain of the detector base drip tray. Route the tubing under the drip tray tubing clip. Ensure proper routing of all tubing via the vertical chimney on the solvent tray and detector base and into the e2695 Alliance. Next, replace the detector onto the detector base. Ensure that the detector feet fit into the indentations on the base for proper seating. Reconnect the e2695 Alliance power cord. Connect the power cord and external control cable to the column heater or column heater cooler, and the power cord and Ethernet cable to the rear of the detector.